Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to this 30-day Ashtanga Yoga challenge. We are up to day 2 and today we're going to focus on Surya Namaskar B. So come to comfortable seated position. There are some kneeling options with this particular asana, so you might want to use a blanket, which is what I'm sitting on here. If you need to do anything to support your knees, please do have that ready. We'll begin with the opening chant as we did before. Remember, we have the engagement of the bandhas, we have the flow of the ujjayi breath in the nostrils. So finding that breath, finding the bandhas. Take a few moments to ground, check in, see how you're feeling. And then bringing the hands to Anjali Mudra and take a breath in. Vande Gurunam Charnaravinde Samdasht Satsva Savara Pote Nishte Se Jankai Kai Mani Samsara Hara Muha Shantye Abahu Purushikaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim. Om. So inhale and exhale, release the hands down. So we'll begin with Surya Namaskar B. We're dealing with the pieces of bread in the sandwich or the wrap if you don't eat bread. So this is Surya B. We did Surya A in a previous session. So we have a seated option here. Remember, you can do this from a chair if you wish. Surya Namaskar B. So we sit nice and tall. And then from here, it begins with Utkatasana. So we inhale, kind of round the back and sit back. You can take the arms up, palms together or floating apart. And then exhale, fold forward. Bring the hands down, relax the head and neck. Inhale, lift the chest forward, pull back on the hands as we did previously. Exhale, round the back, chin towards the chest. This is your downward dog. Inhale, lift the chest forward, shoulders draw back. Exhale, round the back, squeeze Mula Bandha. So this will be the step through to Warrior One. Inhale, this time we just use the hands. Lift all the way up, roll the palms towards or have them apart. Exhale, fold all the way down, relax the head. Inhale, lift the chest forward. This would be our upward dog. Exhale, round the back to downward dog. Left leg. Inhale, heart comes forward, arms reach up. Good. Exhale, fold forward, relax the head. Inhale, heart comes forward. This is your upward dog. Exhale, round the back, chin to chest. We stay for 5. 1, deep breathing. 2, keep the eyes open, gaze off the tip of the nose. 3, strong ujjayi breath. Relax the shoulders. 4, relax around the jawline. And 5, look forwards. Inhale, come through. This will be a step, jog or jump. Exhale to fold. This will be your Uttanasana. We're back to Utkatasana. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samastitihi. Good, so that's an option. Our next option is from a high kneeling position or a kneeling position. Make sure your knees are comfortable as stated before. Coming to Samastitihi. Inhale, lift the arms up, lift the gaze if you wish. Exhale, squeeze the pelvic floor, fold forwards, bring the hands down. Inhale, lift the chest forward. Exhale, as if you were doing cat, round the back, sinking back. Inhale, heart comes forward, back to your upward dog. Exhale, round, sink back, downward dog. Now right leg, inhale, step through with the right leg, help it through if you need to. Lift the arms all the way up. Good, keep weighting that right heel. Exhale, bring the hands down, step back, You can do a mini dip chaturanga, or you can lower to the floor. See what feels best. Inhale, baby cobra, pull back on the hands, lift the chest, relax the glutes. Exhale, tabletop, pushing back, extended child, left leg. Inhale, step through with the left leg. Remember, you can take the back of the knee, lift all the way up. Make sure the knee's over the ankle. Good. Exhale, fold forward, step back. Remember, you can do a mini dip chaturanga. Squeeze the elbows in. Inhale, lift the chest. You might sink the pelvis. That's another option. Make sure your back feels okay. Exhale, push it all the way back. And we stay here for 5. 1. Regulate the breath. 2. Note if this position is too much, you can bring the forearms down and look forwards. 3. So that's an option. Deep breathing. 4. Inhales and exhales. And 5. Look forward, lift the gaze. Inhale, come through. This would be a step, jog, or jump. Exhale, fold. There's your Uttanasana. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. And exhale, Samasthiti. Good. So that's your kneeling option. You might stay there. Otherwise, we're coming through to standing. Please feel free to stay seated or with the kneeling option. Remember, take the best option for your body. Surya Namaskar B. You can have the feet together if you're standing or feet hip distance apart. Choose what feels best. Stand tall or sit tall. Inhale, sit back. So sit back into the heels. Palms can float. You can look down or you can lift the gaze to the thumbs. See how your shoulders feel. Exhale, fold. Hands come down. Straighten your legs to your own measure. Know that they can stay bent. Inhale, lift the chest forward. Bend the knees if you need to do that, but keep the hands on the floor. Exhale, stepping or jumping back, coming down through chaturanga. Remember, you can bring the knees down. Release the toes. Inhale, roll the shoulders back. Baby cobra, higher cobra, or an upward dog. Exhale, pushing back into downward dog. Now bring the left heel in. Inhale, step through with the right leg. Press through the heels, lift all the way up, Virabhadrasana A. Exhale, fold forwards, pivot on the back foot, chaturanga down. Release the toes. Inhale, roll the shoulders back. Remember your options for your back bend. Exhale, pushing back into downward dog. Left leg. Inhale, left leg comes forward, lift all the way up. Good. Exhale, fold all the way down, pivot on the back foot, chaturanga dandasana. Inhale, lifting, back bend of choice, drop the shoulders. Exhale, pushing back into downward dog. And we stay here for 5. 1. Settle into the breath. 2. If you're in downward dog, gaze between the heels, knees, or up towards the navel. 3. Strong breath with sound. 4. Remember, you can always bring your knees down. And 5. Bend the knees up onto the toes, look forward. Inhale, step, jog, or jump through. Exhale to fold, let the head dangle. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samasthiti. Good. Take a few moments there. You can bring the hands to Anjali Mudra, whether you're seated, kneeling, or standing. Stay happy. Stay with the breath. Good. If you're standing, we're going to come down to seated. If you're seated, just stay as you are. Inhale, float the arms up. Exhale to fold. If you're seated, just bow the head forward. Inhale, lift the heart space, shoulders draw back. Exhale, sink all the way back, chaturanga. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, lift, back bend of choice. Exhale, pushing back into downward dog. Inhale, step, jog, or jump through and come to seated. Good. So coming to comfortable seated. You need to stretch your legs out, that's fine. Take a few moments here in Sukhasana or position of choice. Allow the eyes to close for a few moments. And just really connect with any changes in your body, your mind, your breath. Just feeling that energy which is produced from the Ashtanga yoga practice. And bringing the hands to Anjali Mudra. Take an inhale. And gently bow the gaze as we give thanks for our health and our practice. Inhale, lift the prayer hands up. And exhale to center. Namaste. So thank you for practicing with me on day 2. I hope you'll stay with me as we move into the next posture. Take care and have a great day.